Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 97 Brower Road in Spencerport.
This is an amazing ranch property in a park-like setting. So let's take a tour.
This is exceptional one-floor living with a spacious eat-in kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, leading to a dining room with a picture window and beautiful hardwood floors, and an expansive family room with a gorgeous gas fireplace, and access to the sunroom with scenic nature views. The first floor also features a spacious living room with a picture window, a master bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom, plus a second bedroom and powder room.
For additional living space, this lower level features a fireplace great room, great for entertaining. This super Spencerport country ranch home is situated on beautiful acreage, nature at its best. Also available is an adjacent 1.9-acre scenic building lot. Here we are in the charming village of Spencerport.
That's right, Spencerport has great restaurants and shops and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 97 Brower Road in Spencerport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!